Perhaps like many of you, you've purchased a new iPhone 13. Hopefully it's the Pro Max like I did, and you've had to finance that with a Apple Card. So I got that in the mail, and let's take a look at that card. So that was a little difficult to open. So we've already screwed that up. And let's see if we can remedy this. So this is not going well at all. Let's just, rip that out. So we ripped that out now. Inside you'll see the Apple logo. And you'll see activate your card. And there's really not much else to this. It's a flat piece. And let's see. Pop the card out. There's the chip. There's the titanium edge. And you've got the name. And there's no number. It's just a card. And Goldman Sachs, I guess, had to get their name on there. But as you can see, it's fairly normal. Looks nice for now until we start to swipe and use it. So there it is. Hope you get your card and hope you get your iPhone soon. And enjoy. Catch you on the next one. Peace.